Hello guys, ZackFit Abstraction. I'm about to try the roped abs right here, and then we'll try something I've never done before. I'm just gonna try it, okay? Don't kill me on it. This is to build the block on the abs, you know? When the abs has block, you need to work with some weight. So for that, I will try to go with the heaviest that this machine has. It says 95. I will try that. If I can do it, then I will reduce it. But the heavier you go, that's how you get these short abs, like Garen Jones short abs. How to cook this? Basically, one of my favorite abs workout. Let me see if I can go down for it.
That has to hurt.
Ha! Woo! I felt it.